In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your preferences and get set up using ON1 Effects 2019. So to access our preferences, we first need to open up a photo. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to open up a photo here. In this Edit in ON1 Effects dialog, I'm going to leave my settings as they are, and I'm just going to select Edit. So now that we have a photo opened up inside ON1 Effects, let's go ahead and access our preferences by heading up to the top bar and selecting Preferences. Now inside this Preferences dialog, we can use these different tabs to modify different settings inside ON1 Effects. Inside this General tab, you can modify general things about your interface, such as your preview background color, which would be the color behind your photo, and also your accent color, which would be used in anything that's highlighted or selected. Inside this Files tab, you can choose which file type you would want to edit whenever you're opening up a photo inside ON1 Effects. You can choose JPEG, TIFF, or PSD. You can also choose your color space, bit depth, and resolution. Inside your Plugins tab, you can modify the different settings to use ON1 Effects as a plugin with Photoshop and Lightroom. For Photoshop, you can choose to apply the results to a copy of the current layer or the current layer that you're working on. For Lightroom, you can choose to either modify a PSD, a TIFF, or a JPEG, and you can choose color space, bit depth, and your resolution. Once you have these settings modified the way you want them, you can go ahead and choose OK.